Hi, in this video we will learn how to install Power BI Desktop. First, go to Power BI website to download. Here there are two options, either by clicking the download button or you can click the advanced link to download it. One of the advantage of using this method is it will be automatically updated, and Microsoft updated the Power BI every single month, so you don't have to worry about updating it every single time manually. If you click this button, it will open Microsoft Store. Just click the Open Microsoft Store. And this will appear. So to install, just click Install. And after waiting for a few minutes, it will be ready for you to use. Once you have done installing using the Microsoft Store, you can simply launch the file to open Power BI Desktop. If you don't want to use the Microsoft Store, you can click the alternative link at the bottom and press download. If you have 64-bit system, just press 64. Otherwise, use the other one without 64 and go next and save and run it. Once you successfully install the Power BI Desktop and open it, to be able to see the user interface, and we will talk about the user interface in depth in the next video. That's all. See you later.